Okay, so maybe you can, while I'm setting this up, you can tell me a little bit about what kind of automation that you are looking to create.
So simple things like when a customer just texts us, so we can reply things like tell us your name and what kind of service you require. Is it local delivery or Singapore to Johor or Johor to Singapore?
Okay, cool.
Simple things like that first.
All right. So usually what we do is we create a plan dulu. So like a workflow, and then once we have that workflow ready, then we create it as a platform. So that is clearer lah kan?
All right.
Save it. So what we want to create is we want to create something like this, right? Something simple, right? So when somebody comes in, and then what does it say? What is automation? So slowly kita boleh build this up, right? So for this example, it comes in, it will set to round robin, and then we will send a main menu. Hi, please let us know how we can help you. So the main is 3 benda for this: sales, tax offers, arrange test drive, and speak to consultant. And they pick these 3, and then they will go through more options lah. So let's do this for you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
So we'll start there. Okay, chatbot starts. So bila dia start je, what's the first thing that you want the chatbot to do?
So this one of the first things that we ask. This is our current WhatsApp greetings and I think an auto reply.
So when people come in, who are they? Are they just inquiring, or are they already customers? What's the purpose of this actually?
So mostly new customers. So but the most common request from customers is that they want to know our quotation.
Got it. Okay.
They will come to us. They need the service and they want to know the quote. So we will ask them this info.
Okay, great. So I think what's the first is we need to know what is it that they want, right? So maybe we can go give a choice. What is it specifically that they need? Then only we ask for the question specifically apa yang we need, right? So right now you're giving yang this a lot of questions because you're not sure. So you're giving like a blanket. If you want to ask pun boleh, if you want to customer pun boleh, right? So I think we split it into the customer base first. So let's do that. So what we need is we probably need to ask what's the purpose of them coming here, right? So let's ask that. So how would you, if I came in and I'm talking to you as a person, what would you ask me first?
Sure. Can I have your name first? Yeah.
Okay, sure. So first thing is your name, right? Okay. And then what else will you ask me? So I'm WhatsApping you lah. So hi, I want to inquire.
Okay.
What would you ask me? Don't need to think about bot, right? So you just talk to me as a person. So I'm coming. Hi, Bridge Runner. I'm interested in your service.
Yeah. So cool. Can I have your name and what type of service are you interested in? Is it from Singapore to Johor or Johor to Singapore?
Okay, great. That's a good one. Let's start. All right. Okay. So first we need to know first whether they want through Singapore, Johor, Singapore, right?
Right, yeah.
So that's the first thing that we need. Here, so the answer, right, here would be Singapore to Johor, and then over here is Johor to Singapore. Okay. All right. So now that you have this information, what else do you need?
Okay. So from Johor to Singapore, can we know what type of item that you are bringing? Is it for example, maybe is it a food, or is it clothes or decorations? Yeah, these are the common categories.
Okay, so you say just now how many types of products? Let's say there's 4 types.
The main 3 is what's this? Clothes.
Food.
Yeah, food, clothes.
Clothes.
Then from there we jump into the details already. So
what you need?
For example, what exactly are the items? If the general items, it could be like machine parts, it could be painting.
So next, so if it's food, so whatever they ask, then we will go and ask. All right, great. Can I have some details of your benda tu, right? Of your items. So your item. So doesn't matter lah, the documents ke, general clothes ke, whatever it is. So that over here kita dah segment darang. We already know kind of. So now we want the details. So what are the details? Now we want to ask a service, a description of items, right?
Yep.
Next, we're gonna ask for quantity. And then enter number of cartons. Apa beza number of cartons dengan quantity ya?
Yeah. So the quantity is the quantity of the items itself, and then the boxes is how many of those items they pack into the
So
boxes.
number of cartons or boxes, great. And then we want to ask for dimensions. Dimensions. And then we want to ask for estimated weight lagi. Okay. So all this you perlukan lah kan to get all the information, right?
Yeah, then we can immediately give them the quotation.
Got it. So items. Okay. Lepas tu need us to pick up or not. Okay. And then if yes, okay, so pick up or not, we'll give a multiple choice. Yes, no.
Okay.
And then if it is a yes, you need provide address, kan? Kalau no, thank you.
No. Yeah,
Kalau
then
dia cakap no, then just thank you.
no, I think maybe if we can give them an auto reply to direct them to our address.
Direct you to your address.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. What would you like to say?
Hold on.
Okay, like that. So we say, so since you are posting your items to our address, I'll just give lah. It's okay, fine. Just use that one now. Okay, just like that. And then kalau kat sini, if yes, then please provide your address below. Dia kasih address, right? And then?
So that's what we would normally say. Thank
okay,
you.
perfect. Perfect. Oops. Okay, nice. Okay, so
this thank you note can also apply even if they don't have the address.
Yep, can definitely. You want to put it down here?
Yeah, right after.
Yeah, definitely. Sure, just like that, kan?
Yep.
Okay, great. So this is how I would build it lah, right? So it will come in, Chatbot starts, I will ask for the name, so here, and then type product. Okay, perfect. So now we want to see what are those things that we need to have yellow, right? So we need to save these things. So first thing that we do is we want to create custom fields to save. So user name dah ada kat sini. And then we want to save also Johor, Singapore, Johor, right? So this is one thing that we want to save also. So we want to create this over there. And then kat sini we also want to save this, right? So what do you want to call this? Johor, Singapore, Johor. What do you call this?
Service type.
Service type, cantik. Okay. So this is add service dot type. Great. And then kat sini is type of product. So product type.
Yeah, category type.
Add product dot type. Ni boleh kan?
Yeah.
Is it okay? Service type, product type.
Can we use product category? So
Sure.
right?
Can. Product category. Okay, great. And then let's say the bot will say, okay, thank you so much. Can I have so if you like a quotation, I'll need some details from you, right? So I think we should because we're gonna ask a lot of things. So they need to be ready that they're going to be asked a lot of questions. So what I would suggest is kat sini would have another question saying yes, no, would you like a quotation? So I think here is where we should ask. Wonderful. So how may I help you, right? Kat sini is where we ask how may I help you.
Okay.
So let's ask them how may I help you, right there. And then we will ask how may I help you. How may I help you? Okay. So what are the usual things that they always ask for how may I help you? They ask for I want price, kan?
Yeah.
So price or quote. quotation. What else would they ask for usually?
Basically price quotation, whether we can bring in this type of item.
Okay, so just general FAQs.
Yeah, usually they will ask, can you bring in food? Can you bring in what's this this machine part, or can you bring this any other type lah. So that's the comment.
So products we deliver. Something like that? Or so that means they want to know something about that products we deliver, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Apa lagi?
When how long does it take?
Nice. Good one. Delivery duration. Okay, perfect. So, if kalau price quotation baru kita cakap okay, great. Great. Questions and then terus kat sini. Kan?
Right.
Okay, done. So once that's done, now we already have this. We already have how may I help you? Yang ini we want to save it juga as something. What we want to save this as? No, actually we don't need to.
Okay.
So it's just general, need to save. And then here product category, yes. Then this one description of items. So we want to call it apa?
Yeah, item description.
Alright, good. So item
description, I guess.
Description, perfect. Okay, lepas tu dia masuk sini and then this one is quantity. So we want to save it in item quantity.
Yes.
Dot quantity. Quantity. Okay, and then okay, so this one it will be at apa nama dia? Item dot cartons dot bags.
Sorry, this should be packing quantity.
Packing quantity, okay. Packing dot quantity. Alright, nice. And then dimensions. Yeah, you do the dimensions. So the dimensions, the name will be where you want to save it into.
Dimensions.
There's dimensions, eh?
Yeah.
Dimensions, and then estimated weight.
Just
weight
is fine.
Just weight.
Yep.
Great. And then value will be invoice dot value. Got it. All right. So need pickup. Sini we will need one also. Pickup, right? At pickup. Is it okay? Pickup macam tu?
Yeah, that's fine.
So we do yes no. And then kat sini please provide address below. So address, just address ke macam mana?
Pickup address.
Pickup address. Okay, good. At pickup dot address. Okay, thank you. Do. Okay, great. So first step is we want to create all this yellow so that we can save all the fields, right? So now only we go inside over here. So when we're here, the first thing that we want to do is we want to create all our custom fields, right? So let's create it one by one. So first thing that we have here, names done. Now we want service type, right? Service type, add custom field, and then we go here, we just service dot type. Boleh? Okay, you know what? It's got to be underscore. Oh, boleh. It's dot type, select type, will be text, value, add. Okay, service dot type. Great. Then we want to product dot category. Great. Add another custom field. Will be product dot category. Okay. Select and then we do text. Add product dot category. Perfect. Items, item description. Okay, got it. And custom field. Item dot description. Okay, so we want this as text. Add. Perfect. Step. Next, we want item dot quantity. Okay, and custom field. Item dot quantity. Okay, so best is we use text lah. Kadang-kadang people type and stuff like that, right?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. The next would be packing dot quantity. Okay, great. Packing dot quantity. Great. Text. Like that. We want dimensions. Good. Dimension. So later on, I would recommend you go in and you put description lah. So that kalau the next person who comes in, they know what this is about. And also after a while, you will forget, kan? So this is to remind ourselves. Wait.
Okay.
Wait. X. Okay. It will be invoice.value. Invoice.value. X. Okay. Next, we want pickup. So this one, pickup, we can do list, yes or no. Yes, let's do that. Right, list drop down. This value.
How does it work on the when the customer is seeing it on the chat?
They will see the number. Number 1, yes. Number 2, no.
Okay. Okay.
So, you know what? Might as well tak payah lah. Let me see. Because if we... Oh, no. Yeah. I think best if we use text. Senang sikit. So they can type yes, yeah, whatever. Right? Because we haven't trained them how to use the numbers yet.
Alright.
Okay, great. And then pickup address. Pickup dot address. Text. Okay, great. Okay, that's it. Done.